Uh-oh, what's this? That huge box just for this. Now we gotta put it together. Alright, I got it all installed. So yeah, you guys, I went with the Westcott Designs roof rack. Pretty nice. Went with the no cutout for the light bar and no cutouts on the side. It's the one to go with so you don't get any wind noise, and it's pretty good. Barely any wind noise when driving. About 70 you hear a little bit, but it's not bad. I'm pretty happy with the roof rack I went with. Westcott Designs is actually, yeah, the fastest lead times to go with. Other companies, I was going to go with RCI for their roof rack because they're another good brand. But yeah, it's like 5 weeks. Like wait time. Forget that. I'm not trying to wait 4 to 5 weeks. That's ridiculous. I get it takes time to make, but if you're a company, you should, have the product available for the customers. But yeah, no wind noise. This front cowl is real low to the roof. Didn't have any issues. Let's see. With install, you just put these little, I call them like stilts or whatever. It goes right in here. It's cool, the 4th gen Tacoma, it comes already, with the holes and, just with the bolts that go straight in and install, no issues. But you just have to remove this black cover that's here over the roof. It's pretty easy. But yeah, pretty nice. Just wanted to show you guys. Top quality. They give military or first responder discounts. It's pretty nice. But one thing about it, it does scratch real easy. I wish the finish was a little more tough and stayed on better, but it does scratch easy. So be careful if you get one of these. But let me know what you guys think. It's funny, it comes with a bottle opener for us alcoholics. Let's check it out. I'll show you. First time trying it. For us alcoholics. And I can't get it to work. Damn. Unless I hit it right here down on that, but I can't get that bottle in there. That sucks. That's upsetting. Remember guys, check out the description. I got a bunch of discount codes in there for a lot of cool stuff. And yeah, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. See you later.